bike. I'm just kidding. This is probably going to be maybe my dumbest, but also smartest video at the same time. Smartest because I have on long sleeves and jeans, so I dress semi-protective. Dumbest because, let me see if I can get it right there. I have stitches in my back. I don't know how well that's going to show. I'm going to try to get that on camera. But yeah, I have stitches in my back because I just got surgery 5 days ago. I'm not allowed to like lift anything. I'm off work for a month, all that kind of stuff. So if the bike falls over or anything, I'm screwed because I can't pick it up. Which is why, another reason this is going to be a smart video, I'm just going to take the back roads. I'm going to go slow the whole time. Just going to go for a nice, calm cruise. Enjoy, not Tom Cruise, enjoy the beautiful day. Just kind of talk to you guys a little bit. Lots of new people, so welcome to the channel. Appreciate you subscribing. But yeah, I'm gonna just head through the back roads, go pretty slow, be a relaxed ride. Okay, this is way too hot. Hopefully my back doesn't hurt too much. If it does, I'm just gonna have to go home. But I'm gonna try to stick through it, if that's even a saying. Fight through it, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to ignore the pain and go for a little ride, make a video. Another thing that'll be different about this video is my plan is to record, edit, and upload it all at the same time, all on the same day, I mean, which I haven't done for quite a while. It's been at least a year and a half since I've done that. But that is because I haven't uploaded like an actual full video in like, well, since the day of my surgery, so I think 5-6 days now. I've just had shorts, and I believe I have shorts posted until, well, that was convenient. Shorts posted until June 10th, I think. So like, they're uploaded for a while. I spent a couple, like 2 or 3 days ago, I just spent some time stocking up on those and then pre-uploading them so that I could have a bunch. So at least there's some content, but I don't want to, thank you for doing it back, I don't want to just post shorts, like I want full videos for you guys too. So I'm going to try to record, edit, and upload this all on the same day. That way there's like a full video too. I just keep saying the same thing. Moving on. Hello. Puppies. But yeah, like I was saying, a lot of new people. We've grown quite a lot since the last time I've recorded, so I just wanted to say I greatly appreciate that. To all the new subs and the people that have been subbed, I really appreciate it, so thank you. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy it. Hope I can make you laugh, maybe brighten your day a little bit. I know that's why I watch YouTube, so I try to provide the same for others. So, welcome. I'm trying to get the Ninja 650 sold. I have it listed right now. Of course, all I'm getting are low balls from people and ridiculous trade offers, which I'm not interested in. I'm not riding it because, at least not right now, because so the issue is the brake light won't light up, but that's because there's 3 wires that come from the brake light that plug into the main wiring harness of the bike, and one of them is loose, so the connection isn't strong enough. So like they will be lit up, but like when you push the brake pedal, nothing happens. Like they don't get brighter. So it's an easy fix. You just have to like crimp it properly and hook it up right, then it should work perfectly fine. I just don't have the tools or supplies to do that right now. So I'm trying to just sell it. But I might end up caving and buying, like trying to get them just so that I can maybe get the brake lights working and do a video on it, do a review video. I might just do it anyways without brake lights, because if I ride on this road, nobody's behind me. So it won't be a huge deal. Yeah, now that I think about it, I might do that. Because like I have a plate for it and everything. It's registered. I just I don't currently have working brake lights. But I mean, I might do it. That would just so I have another like review video on the channel of a fourth bike. Yeah, fourth bike. I've never done one on this. I guess I could do that at some point. I know someone requested it, so I'll probably do that. Fuck you people. Oh, speaking of, the reason I said fuck them was because they have, I don't know if you can see it, but they have a puppy farm. A bunch of like beagles in little coops. So I don't really appreciate that. But I was told the sound I was using to censor things was annoying. So I have replaced it with, as you just heard, hopefully that's funnier and not annoying, I guess. My bad to anybody that got annoyed by the extreme bass censoring. I thought that was funny. I like when people use it, but apparently not. But I've been cooped up the past week. I'm still gonna be for a while, but I've been using that time to try to like mess around with the editing app that I use and like learn more features I can use and stuff that I haven't used yet. So like I learned to do this. I wish I would have known that 2 months ago, but like at least I can use that from now on. If you don't know what I was referring to, just look at the speedometer when I said that. But yeah, I learned how to do that. I want to put my other GoPro right here and have like the 2 points of view throughout the video, but I can't think of a way to do that wouldn't add like 2 hours of editing, which like I'm fine with doing. It's just like I would have to, it's a super long process. I was gonna start explaining it, but I mean, I'm not sure, I don't think anybody really wants to hear that. It's pretty boring stuff. But like it would just require a lot of downloading and deleting and stuff onto my phone to get it, and like syncing it perfectly in time, like just a lot of really annoying stuff. But I was also thinking about mounting it down here under the bike, pointing backwards. That way, if I ever like race people and stuff, I can show them behind me, because that's what they usually are. Or like maybe when I go riding with Anna or anybody else, I can occasionally like have the camera point backwards to them if they're doing something. It is absolutely beautiful today, which is part of the reason I'm out here. I stopped taking my pain meds 2 days ago, because obviously you're not supposed to take them and then operate a vehicle. Hi horse. So I quit taking them 2 days ago so that I could, in hopes to go riding today, which, okay, spoke too soon. I was gonna say right now it's not too bad, but that bump didn't help. But yeah, because I really wanted to go riding, and like I said, get a full video up for you guys instead of just shorts all the time. So I'm definitely glad I made that decision, because it would have sucked being stuck inside today when it's this nice out. I'm gonna try to use this time off to like crank out as many videos as I can, get a bunch uploaded, just so there's more to watch and stuff. Might go that way someday. Just nope, never mind. That looks like a very beat up rough road. Never mind. Red, white, and birthday cake. I've never heard of that combo. That sounds like 90 grams of sugar. For sure, but could be good. I don't know. Not a huge birthday cake person. I want to put heat shield like under my seat because this thing the seat gets super hot, and I don't like it because I'm not trying to roast chestnuts on a open fire, but like I'm afraid that if I do that, it's gonna redirect the heat right back onto the bike, and then I don't want it to like overheat or anything. So I guess I just have to suck it up, but like it's not fun. I just don't want to ruin the bike. I'm not sure if that's even like a thing. Like if me putting the heat shield there would screw the bike up or not. It might not. It might just get redirected down and out. But it's not exactly like a risk I want to take, you know. Kind of want to go to like this little park right here, just because it's a nice scenic little place. It'd be a little bit of a different thing for a video. Fun kind of exploring little things, but I don't want to make this video too long because the past 3 videos I think have been like 20 minutes. So I don't want to keep just uploading super long videos. I don't want people to get bored. So I'm trying to keep this one shorter. What is that? Raccoon. Poor little guy. I wonder if I can show that. I'm gonna. Wrecked Camaro, Challenger. Looks like it's missing the front bumper cover up there. Those all projects. Alright. You're too cool, I get it. So you got a Harley. Speaking of Harley, somebody I know purchased one recently, which has been unfortunate, but it is what it is. So I was thinking about making a video on it if they'll let me. And by, oh, nice C8. By on it, I mean like riding it, not just about it. If they let me. If you guys do want to see that, let me know. I'm probably just gonna roast it the whole time. But who knows? I might end up liking something about it. Doubtful, but I'm open-minded. So if you guys want to see a video on a cruiser, let me know. I'll definitely be down to do it. But either way, I'm gonna use it for like shorts and stuff, just to roast it. I mean, if that's your taste in bikes, hey, good for you. That's fine. It's just not mine. But yeah, if you guys want to see some cruiser content, let me know. Why is this so busy here? Oh, what is that? There's too much stuff going on around me at once. I'm gonna end up. I know I shouldn't have done that editing, but I could not resist that. It was perfect. He literally was. That's what. It was a joke. It's a joke. I don't mean to offend anybody, but it was the
I saw an opportunity and I seized it.
Yeah, I'm just about back, so I'm gonna wrap this one up. Like I said, I don't want them to be too long. It is a beautiful day though, so I do want to kind of keep riding around. but this hoodie's a little bit warm. But yeah, I'm gonna try to edit and upload this video today. I'm not 100% sure that'll happen, but it most likely will, as long as I don't lose motivation or anything. But thank you for watching. If you're new here, thanks for joining. Like I said before, and if you'd like to join, feel free to. And I will talk to you whenever I go riding next, which is hopefully within a couple days. But, yeah, I'll see you then.